Alright, and on the Kubota, I ordered a new windshield, an aftermarket windshield. Got that installed. To me, that's kind of one of the must-have things. The bugs are so bad down here. The heat, well, that don't matter, but the bugs and the cold. So I just like having a windshield on my side-by-side. So the Intimidator is up for sale. If anybody's looking for a good deal on a really good side-by-side. Alright, so here we are, Friday, July 20th, and we're getting stuff done. Got 2 loads of gravel being dumped right now at Project 211 so I can make the pad for the new camper. And right now I'm working with Matt. We are ordering the lumber from Menards for the 2 deer towers because they got 11% off right now, and I want to take advantage of that. So I got to ask Matt right now. I'll catch you later. Alright, here we are, Friday, July 20th. I got my 2 8-inch double wall pipes for the duck pond project. But of course they're calling for severe storms tonight and tomorrow, which would not only sideline this one but ruin the new lawn. So we're hoping they are wrong. It's 110 heat index today, so that's what's gonna gin up these heavy storms. So let's hope not. All right, now it's Saturday the 21st, and the rain missed us, thank goodness. So, change of plans. I'm gonna load up the tractor and the bush hog, and me and Miss Kapper are gonna go over to 211. There's just something about Prim's little welcome mat that seems to draw the critters. Oh, she's getting nesting material. So this is how equipment usually goes. It never happens when you got a leisurely afternoon, plenty of time. I'm on a timeline going to meet the farmer at 211. I got to throw the Kubota on here. And of course, then here's the first flat I've ever had in this trailer. Pretty much ever. Well, okay, second flat. Luckily, I stay prepared right there. Okay, so I'm cleaning up the Intimidator to try and trade it or sell it. But while I'm here, I'm testing out this swale I made right there in the road. So far, all the water's been going right here. And you can see it's going right down my swale. But right here, I'm just testing that high side just to make sure it don't go down back in that rock garden. So right where I'm spraying, it should be coming back at us. Let's find out. And yes, it appears to be flowing right where we want it. Right down the swale, right across, and into the woods. So it appears that the mini swale is a success. Now we just need to get rid of this thing. Oh, you stinker. Not huge, but definitely would have won the tournament tonight. All right, now I'm calling it a day. I got these last two here and these last two here. Those I'm leaving alone. I mean, they're tied in really good with the loader arms, so. Oh. Oh, you stinker. Not huge, but definitely would have won the tournament tonight.